Recently, my friend called me and he tell me on the phone that his truck died. So I tell him I'll be right there, bro. I hook up my truck to the trailer, and by the time I reach him, a random stranger offers to help. After several failed attempts to start the truck, we decide to load his truck on my truck using stranger's truck with big winch. This is a good example of Alaskan helping each other to make a very good success. We load the truck up in a beautiful Big Lake, Alaska sunset, and we take it home. The next day, I needed my trailer for something, and I had to unload truck from trailer. But truck no start. So I hook up chain to stump, and I get in the truck, I put it in the neutral position, and lock up the steering wheel. Then I hop out of the truck, and I go to my driver, and I tell him, it's time to go.
All right. Let's go. Let's go.
My driver says farewell and sends it. This is very simple solution to problem. No problems, only solutions. Thank you for watching.